Hello, I'm Willow. I'm Willow. Hi there. I'm Starblaze. And this is my story. I should probably start from the beginning. I was born to my mom. Oh, honey. Push. Go on. You can do it. You can do it. She'll... She's beautiful, honey. She's beautiful. What are you gonna name her? How about Starkit? Starkit. I like it. Welcome to the family, Starkit. I'll look at the medicine. Here's some herbs. Eat them. Thank you. Oh, Starkit, you're adorable. She'll grow up to be the most beautiful kitten ever. Time went on. Mommy, 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 mommy. Yes, Starkit? Can I go explore outside of the Can I go explore outside of the camp? No, Starkit. The world is a dangerous place. Yeah, I gotta go hunt. Hope to bring some fresh kill back. I will. But Mommy, I really want to be a hunter. Like that. I really want to be a hunter. I really want to go hunting, and I really want to do stuff. Starkit, you're too little to go out there. You're mean, Starkit. But Mom, Starkit. Humph, I hate you. Starkit. Humph. Humph. Mommy doesn't think I'm big enough to go out. Well, I'll teach her. I'll teach her one day or another. Another kit was born. A kit was also born the same day. Except a day after. That became my best friend. Hi. Hey, Willow. Hey, Willow Kit. I'm so excited. Me too. But Mommy says I'm not allowed to go exploring. Willow. Hey, that doesn't stop us. Come on, let's go. But Willow Kit, Mom said no. My mom said no. Oh, boo-hoo. I don't care. What's a little more risk? Willow Kit. Don't be such a scaredy cat. It was you who wanted to go exploring in the first place. No, I know. But still, I really want to go. I don't know. My mom said no. Oh, Starkit. Don't be such a scaredy kitten. You really want to go. I do. But my mom said no. Breaking the rules. Puh. That's easy peasy. Come on. But Willow Kit. Oh, Willow Kit. But Willow Kit, why? Oh, we're not that far away from camp. The camp's just right over there. But we're a little bit out of the way. But Willow Kit, oh, boo-hoo. What's a little more daring? Oh, true. Where am Kit. Hi. I'm Willow Kit. Oh, whoever am I? You're in the great outdoors. I can kind of see that, but my owner just dropped me off here. Oh, you're one of those pets, aren't you? You could say that. I'm not a pet. I'm a warrior cat. We live in wild lives. I don't know how to get back home. My owner might have made a mistake. Where are we? Where are we? I don't know where we are, sweetie. Oh, boo-hoo. We're in the wilderness. Our owner didn't want us, did she? Our owner didn't want us, did she? There's no way to be upset. We shouldn't be upset. Our owner didn't want us. That's why we're here, you dimwit. What? Owner didn't want us? Misty. Priscilla, no. But boo-hoo, owner didn't want us, and so we're stuck here. Priscilla. Ugh, fine. So you're one of those pet cats? You could say that we were. Well, I don't know, but I don't know what we should do. You can come over to our camp. Don't let... No, then my mom will definitely know I was gone. Oh, Star Kit, stop being such a crybaby. Cry, kitten. Stop mocking me. I don't want to get in trouble. You know how it went with Cloverpaw. They got into tons of trouble and they had to do stuff they didn't want to. That's just an old fable. That they had. That's just a fable. Those warrior cats never existed. Willow Kit. Why do you guys have Kit in your name? It's none of your business, cat. It's none of your business, Priscilla. Oh, sorry about her. She's just, well, kind of mean at times. Oh, I get it. But we still don't understand why we're here. Oh, that. Yeah, I don't know how you guys ended up here. It could be that I don't know. I never really been a pet cat. Meow. What's she wearing? What's those? It's called a bow. Our owner was a kid. Well, our owner was a kid. Her owner had a kid, but something happened and we don't know what. And now we don't know. Your owner? What's an owner? I mean, it's a person. Our owner's a person. Oh, you mean 2 legs, right? Yeah, I guess you could call them 2 legs. They do have 2 legs. We have 4. I guess we could let you guys in. We're not going to let them in. Why? Just because we're not letting them in. Stop being such a whiny kitten. Ugh. Ugh. Star Kit, Willow Kit, Star Kit, Willow Kit. Come on, Willow Kit, we have to go. But we can't leave here and let them here to die. We have to go, Willow Kit. Or we'll get in trouble, Willow Kit. Ugh. Well,